About 3 months ago, I came up with the idea of installing a Rheem brand electric water heater. A bit afraid of doing so, since the power rating in the manual was 3800 watts and a 30-gallon tank. I started using it and I learned the following. The 3800 watts rating is for 1 hour of operation. If you use it for a few minutes, such as for taking a shower, the power used up will be much lower. The heater remains turned on virtually as long as you draw hot water from it. If properly insulated, it stays off for most of the time. A 30-gallon heater seems very large for a shower, but it keeps a comfortable temperature much longer, and you don't have to frequently adjust the taps for maintaining a constant temperature. The electric heater can be installed indoors with no ventilation needed for smoke or toxic gases. If it becomes necessary to install it outdoors, you can fully insulate it and seal it using cheap and easy-to-get materials. This also prevents deterioration from weather, and water stays hot much longer. So, electric power needed is very low, and in my case, the gas bill went down since I only use gas for the kitchen stove. I was so satisfied that I installed a second water heater, identical to the first one, for my second bathroom with the same results. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Chava Tarin.